One, two. One, two. Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. I, redpillrixter. And yo, we're just going to get right into it. Let's get right down in. Today's show, first of all, is going to be about Jamaican dads stepping up and locking off a TikTok post-nut clarity, seeing the act of being soft-spoken, and also, yo, we're all going to talk about this millionaire who people think he's on a green screen, but he's actually a black millionaire. Mother and stepson drama. Now, that one's a long one, but you got to watch it for sure. And also, people, seeing... Let's do this. It's called The Crazy Kiss. Coming up right here on the Red Pill Rixter Mr. Show. Let's go.
I have a Jamaican dad.
Uh-huh.
Of course he makes the best.
Nobody really to know. Nobody really.
I was just going to say that, of course.
When I always make things that people always do, then you're going to say, oh, I have a Jamaican
I was
dad.
just going to say.
He's so miserable. He's so miserable. Don't do it. How about I have an American daughter. She's just nuffed. She's just nuffed.
Got her there. Her. Come get some when my son goes to sleep. Okay? Her son. He ain't tired, yo. He's not tired. Okay, people.
Call me later, man.
This is called the post-nut clarity. So now on post-nut clarity, you know what post-nut clarity is, right? After you do your thing and you get your thing and your thing is done, and then everything just seems to be clear to you of what's happening. So post-nut clarity 101.
Yeah.
Hold on. You're going to come see me later, right? Watch him.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to go see her later. And when he sees this, what would you do?
Dark side I sense in you.
Damn. He out of there, yo. Yeah, the dude's clothes.
What you doing, man? I miss you so much. Like, I really love you. Like,
on the door?
I'm so happy that I married you because there's no other woman like you. Because these motherfucking bitches really be in the way, and there's no one else so I love you.
Notice some eviction. He's out of there. Post-nut clarity clicked in. Yeah.
The fact that a baby mama can have multiple different baby daddies and not be with none of them, but can also be shamed for it. It's fucking crazy to me.
You let him hit it raw. You didn't have second thoughts. Now you a single mom.
This is cool.
Yeah, wreck it.
The reason why that man cut you off and the reason why this other guy won't pursue you is because you have not mastered the art of being soft-spoken. It doesn't matter that you're the boss at work, that's how you grew up, that's your culture, you think you were alpha. All of that may in fact be true, but you can't use that as an excuse.
Right.
You must learn the art of being soft-spoken.
Right.
Because when you're soft-spoken, that is equivalent to peace, and men want peace.
Yeah, she definitely gets it, bro.
That's just like, that's like sitting there.
All right, so check it out, soft-spoken. That is a true secret that she's giving off to you, ladies. If you learn the art of being soft-spoken, then trust me.
He needs some milk.
Not really, but that represents peace to most men. All right, so check this out. Millionaire has to prove to a woman that his mansion is not a green screen. Like, this guy is rich for real. So check this out.
Think about, you said I'm in church?
Matter of fact, is that a green screen? That's a green screen behind you. Quit playing with me.
It's a green screen?
Walk down them stairs. Walk down them stairs.
Oh, boy.
See, that's what I'm talking about. Yep. Your line ass. It's a green screen.
Like
okay.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's going to try and debunk that green screen myth. Let's see. Let's see if he's going to debunk the green screen myth.
Black people, go.
Okay, walk down the stairs.
Walk down the stairs. Oh, boy.
You petty. How
I
you
know
do that?
black people never
Tell them to
seen that.
say hi. Tell them to say hi.
Say hi.
Okay.
There he is.
Our black people never seen nothing like this, so they don't think that it's real. They don't think a black man. They don't think a black man, with more money than y'all favorite celebrities can actually own something like this.
Talk to them, bro. They don't think a black man has more money than your favorite celebrity could own something like this.
Son, you can go. I'm sorry.
Because you walked in the mosque.
You can go back to doing what you were doing.
Is your mansion bigger than Rick Ross? Take a
Who cares?
Hold on.
some of you.
Who cares?
Wait, hold on. We comparing. Are we comparing houses to other people as if it matters?
We sure are.
See, let me tell you something.
Gotcha,
I'm gonna tell you
we
something
sure
that y'all probably don't understand. Poor people discuss people.
Uh-huh.
Middle class people discuss events.
Okay.
Rich people discuss ideas. We're only thinking about the ideas to make us more richer. We're not
Real talk, bro. Real blood cleat talk. Keep going.
caring about who's and what's
Whose
what.
house
And
is
this person
bigger.
got more when your ass ain't got nothing. I
Okay.
care less about their homes because I'm not in their house sleeping. I sleep in my
Okay,
own home. I can
I'm
care less
from
about
the-
anything they got going on.
nobody with me.
Damn. Looks like he schooled her. Reaching out to all the people here. It's Mr. Show. Thanks for tuning in. So I got some more information, bro. You're going to like this next video that's coming up right now. So this next video, as you see the Latino lady, she's a young girl. Then you see the Latino moms. And then you see actually the boyfriend. So what's happening here is that this lady is, this Latino mom seems to be messing around with her daughter's boyfriend. So check this out. Secret affairs of a mother and her stepson.
Who's right behind them. The younger woman kisses him goodbye and tells him to wait there with her mother.
So watch this. It's a little bit lengthy, but it's actually really good. And after this is going to become the crazy kiss. And we also have another video coming up after this about pretty much the crazy kiss and something else going on. So watch.
The young woman says goodbye and tells them she'll be right back.
Okay.
Just when the young woman leaves the house, the man and the older woman start to kiss themselves very passionately.
Wow.
Outside, the young woman tries to open the car door but finds it locked. She searches her bag for the keys but fails to find them. She decides to go back inside her house to find the keys. Meanwhile, her partner throws her mother on the couch and starts to seduce her, sniffing her neck before proceeding to remove her bra and giving her a very erotic kiss.
Holy frijoles!
The man and the woman are having an erotic cuddle on the sofa, but the woman accidentally knocks some keys to the floor with her feet. Outside, the woman enters the house's gate, unlocks the front door, and proceeds to climb upstairs. Meanwhile, the man and the woman recklessly continue their libidinous act on the couch. The young woman enters and notices that something is wrong. Later, the daughter asks her mother about what happened to her hair. The mother says that she just decided to loosen her hair and asks why she returned so quickly. The daughter asks if she saw her car keys. The mother says she didn't see it because she was just reading since she'd left. The daughter then finds the keys lying on the floor and tells her mother that she has already found them. The daughter gets down to get the keys and finds a red bra lying next to the keys. The daughter picks up the bra and asks her mother what that bra was doing on the floor. The mother says,
Yo, daughter ain't no fool, Daughter knows what she saw. Daughter knows what she saw.
That she must have dropped it when she was taking the clothes to the washing machine and asks her daughter to give it to her. The daughter tells her mother that it's okay because she's taking it to the laundry herself. The mother thanks her daughter for doing her that favor and the daughter leaves the room. In the same room, the man, who is very quiet, is using his phone, and the woman tells him that she is completely petrified of fear. The man, annoyed, nods and asks the woman about the watchful nature of her daughter. The woman then tells him to leave her to deal with her own daughter. The daughter, in the laundry room, opens the washing machine but realizes that it is completely empty and calls her mother. The daughter gets really annoyed and throws the bra away. She returns to the living room and asks her mother about the fact that the washing machine is actually empty. The mother tries to convince her that some washing machines have very quick washing settings. The man and the mother get angry at the daughter. The man interrupts and tells the young woman not to worry because he's going to stay and help her mother. The young woman asks if they can really handle it, and the man confirms that it's okay. He manages to convince the young woman and then kisses her goodbye. She then leaves for her job, and the man takes her outside. Back inside, the man tries to seduce the woman again, this time from behind the sofa, whispering in her ears and touching her shoulders. Then, they start to cuddle, but the man notices the woman is quivering. He then walks towards the sofa and jumps at her for another cuddle. He kisses her neck. The daughter, still suspicious, returns to check inside. She cautiously climbs upstairs and suddenly spots her mother having sexual relations with the man. She refuses to believe that he was doing such things with her own mother. The man and the woman continue the act shamelessly, still unaware of the daughter's presence. The daughter grabs her phone and decides to give her mother a call. The mother answered her phone call, and her daughter asks her what she was doing. The mother says she's reading a book. The daughter asks where in the house she found it, and the mother says that she was reading it in the kitchen. The daughter asks her mother if she likes her, and the mother says that she not only likes her but that she actually loves her. And the mother says that it's her duty, as a mother, to love and do everything for her. The daughter asks if she would really do everything, and the mother confirms and says that she can ask her anything, anytime. The daughter then says that she just called to say how much she loves her. The mother says goodbye and tells her that they're waiting for her. The daughter hangs up. After that, the woman and the man, still unaware of the daughter's presence, continue the act.
I tell you, man, I tell you. Sometimes, like, you know, this feeling of compassion passion and lust takes over actual true logics. Let's keep going.
The daughter looks really disgusted and climbs downstairs. Later, the man asks the woman if she liked it, and the woman says that she really loved that, and she asks him to leave her daughter to stay with her. The man says that he can't leave her daughter because he really loves her and would never leave her. That woman says that it was okay but tells him that eventually he was going to fall in love with her. The man gives her a nod, and the woman, touching his hair, says that little by little he is going to fall in love with her. Suddenly, they hear the daughter arriving, and they get away from each other.
Yo, bro, yo. You know the real culprit in this whole story. Mama is cold as ice, bro. Mama is cold as ice. Let's keep going.
The young woman greets them and asks them what they were doing. The mother tells the daughter that she was talking about when she was just a baby. The daughter says that she wants to tell them 3 things.
Okay.
The first thing was that she loved her and told her that she was the best mother in the world. The second thing was that she was really proud of her, and finally, that she was pregnant. The surprised mother and the man ask her if she is sure.
Pregnant.
The excited daughter confirms and tells her husband that she's really having a baby. The man cheerfully kisses and touches her womb. The daughter thanks them and tells them they need to celebrate that moment.
Yo, I don't know. The daughter's got some certain strength in her to allow the man to kiss her belly and all that kind of stuff when she sees with her own eyes what's going on and things. So she's got some strength in her still. She's got some strength to let this plan of hers or whatever play out. Let's go.
They agree, and she leaves the room. The mother, really angry, grabs the man by his collar and asks him if it was mental not to tell her that. The man asks what happened, and the woman, angrier, shouts at him and tells him that he was a completely irresponsible idiot.
Yo, this lady is messing with her daughter's boyfriend and telling the boyfriend that he's irresponsible. Keep going.
She also informs him that he is her property.
Okay.
The man, feeling desperate, tells her that he's going to do something about it.
Okay.
He puts his hands on his face, desolate. After a while, the young woman arrives with another man and tells them that that man was her love affair, and he was the actual father of the baby. Her partner violently punches the table and asks her to explain that.
Yo, so it sounds like she has her own little plan. Yo, all right, let's go. Let's see where this story is going to end up at.
The mother tells him that she was right about her daughter not loving him. The daughter confirms that her mother is right and says that it doesn't really matter because the son she was expecting wasn't his anyway.
Wow.
She hugs her lover. Her love affair then taunts her partner, saying that he knew why he had such a lovely woman. The man
good.
gets really crossed and starts threatening her partner's love affair.
Okay.
The love affair takes his hand off him, tells him to shut up, and asks him to have a very good look at her. The man says that she ruined everything but that he had something to confess. The mother, concerned, puts her hand on her face and tries to signal him to stop. The man ignores her and says that he also has a love affair, but that it is with the young woman's mother. The mother tries to circumvent and explain the situation, but her daughter tells her to shut up because she knew. The young woman abruptly reveals that the man was not her lover but her solicitor, and that she needed to have that private conversation with them because she was about to file for divorce. Her partner asks why, and she tells him that she has enough evidence in her favor. And the daughter confronts her mother, telling her that she told her that she loved her and that she would do everything for her. The mother tries to confront her, but the daughter interrupts and says that she doesn't care about her at all, and the daughter bans the mother and her lover from her house.
So Shorty had a plan, and Shorty made that plan come together. Let's keep going.
The man argues, but the young woman's solicitor tells him to do the right thing and leave immediately before he calls the police. The woman tries to convince her daughter, but the solicitor shows them the door exit. The mother falsely cries that she loves her and leaves. The solicitor comforts the young woman and tells her that he's really sorry for what's happening to her.
All right, guys, when you look at it at this angle, tell me in the comment section, and remember to like and subscribe. Do you think the solicitor is going to be trying to pick up this chick right after? I mean, like, he just helped her out of a situation, she's looking good, and she feels like she owes up the solicitor, you know? Do you think that he was going to try a thing?
And she tells him that that cause was very likely to go in her favor based on everything he saw. And he tells her that he really hopes she recovers from that terrible situation and that he had to leave. The young woman thanks the solicitor, and he leaves.
Just like that.
The young woman sorrowfully looks to the horizon.
Okay. So, yo, she got what she wanted to get then. So as we seen in the very beginning of the coming up, we see that this is called the crazy kiss. So we're moving on right here on the Mr. Show. Thanks for sticking around this long. And if you stuck around this long, remember to like and subscribe. Okay, let's go. The crazy kiss. Look what she does. Look what she does. Come to the guy, man. Jesus. What's wrong with her, yo? What is wrong with Shorty? Why would she do that?
Why?
Exactly.
I see it quite often. You do not want to walk to the front of the item and squat. What just happened when I squatted to get it? What just happened?
Open up.
Legs are wide open. Is that a ladylike thing to do? Absolutely not. So you never walk straight to the front of the item. Nor do you walk to the item and whoo! What can possibly happen when you put that leg up? Another way you do not pick something up is to walk straight to it and lean over. We don't want to see all of that back there. Do you? No! So the proper way to pick something up, ladies and gentlemen, you may have to teach your daughter this sometime. Okay? So pay close attention. The proper way to pick something up, ladies, is to walk to the side of the item, lock your knees, lock your feet, go down gracefully, pick it up, and you're up. No chance of exposure.
Thanks for tuning in right here on the Mr. Show, and I redpillrixter. So see it there. Like and subscribe, and thanks for tuning in right here. What can I say? It's the Mr. Show. Hey, yo.